What is up, ladies and gents, boys and girls? This is Moto Noir. Yep. Where is it? Oh, there it is. That's it.
Sorry about that.
Well, there you go. Am I recording? Yes, I am. All right. We are out in Tarrytown, New York. Just doing some sightseeing. Went and got some coffee, and now we're gonna go see this this old mansion that is up in. I already said we're in Tarrytown, but yeah, we're gonna go check out this old mansion. It's a huge complex. Yeah, so we're chilling, just chilling. So I'm with my buddy Russ, and look, it's north right up ahead. And this is the Tarrytown train station. Used to come here when I worked at a company up here. We had an office that was in Tarrytown, and we'd get off the train right there and get a coffee and wait for an Uber. So this is pretty funny. Yeah, we're just being gentle boys today. Good, gentle boys. The best of the boys. It's a very hilly neighborhood, and it's just classic, old school New York town. A little bit upstate, a little bit outside of the city. Yeah, check out how cute this is. Check out how cute this is. I don't come up here very often anymore, just because well, number one, I really hate my old company. So I try not to, I don't know, I just don't like being up here because of bad memories with a bad company. But it's nice to be up here with friends, that is for sure, because it really is a cute town. It really is. So can't fault it. It's nice to get out with friends, man. It's a lot going on in life right now. Cake is shutting down operations in the United States, and no idea what's going to happen with that company. But I'm not really worried about it. I am gonna be starting with Triumph and as a salesperson, and then hopefully become the sales manager there after a little bit of time. So that'll be fun. It's a new little venture for me, and it is truly in the motorcycling industry. This is where I want to be. Oh, so this is like old Fordham University. Old Fordham. Lucas's bike, man. His SC Project's exhaust is super freaking loud. I used to say it's borderline obnoxious, kind of like my old XSR was, but yeah, the double cans there on the back of his Ducati Hyper. It is a loud bike. You can hear it coming from miles away. I'm one of those guys. I like to bring up the rear of the group. I don't like leading, just because it's kind of awkward to lead, you know? Am I going too fast, too slow for everyone? But then, you know, of course you have to realize that everyone just rides their own ride. But I always just like to bring up the rear, because I like making sure that people are safe, you know? Because I'm pretty comfortable with my riding skills. And if someone goes down or something happens, I'm just flat, I always carry the tools and shit like that for, you know, fixing a puncture. And I always carry my remote toolkit, which includes air pump and all that. So I like being the helpful guy. You always need a good rider in the back. But we're all pretty experienced. He just is the newest of the group. But he's a pretty damn good rider so far. Young. Hi. So it is, what, February 9th today? Something like that. And it's getting up to 60 degrees today. 60 degrees, dude. What the hell's going on with the weather? February, 60 degrees in New York State. It's so weird. Very weird. This is cute. Never been around here before. Very cute. Get some lean there. It's always funny. You think you're leaning farther than you are. You think you're being like, oh, I'm MotoGP, Rossi, check me out. And no, you're only leaning like maybe 15 degrees versus their, what, freaking like 52, 60 degrees. But it's fun to like, yeah, listen to that Triumph Speed. It's a Triumph Speed Twin. I really like that bike. My buddy Russell's bike. I almost got that instead of the XSR 700. That was one of the bikes I was looking at. So it was just a little out of my price range at the time. At the time. Hell, this bike is at my price range right now. Let's be honest. Where are we going? What are we doing over here? Chilling? Place to chill? No, you gonna stop and get drinks? Okay, that's perfect. Alright, we're gonna stop and get some food. down this road, huh? Okay. Passenger cars only. Oh, parkways. Yeah. Never mind. Avoid the debris. Roll on, baby. Okay. So I guess we're gonna go to like a Wendy's or something. Get some food real quick. But yeah, like what I was saying. What was I saying? It's really nice to get out with my buds, spend some time out of my apartment. I have to freaking move again. Freaking. You have no idea how frustrating that is. It'll be my third. Is it my third move? Third move in a year, man. And it's so freaking frustrating. Just frustrating. Yeah, my girlfriend and I, we freaking broke up. So it's too much going on. Anyways, I'm not talking about it. Anyways, we should have stopped at that diner. That looked good. Instead we're going to Wendy's? Oh well, whatever. I'm completely fine with Wendy's. Should go through the drive-thru. Alright kids, we're gonna go get some food. I'll see you on the next one.